Hello from Slovenia again. Yesterday I did this painting with gravy boat. I had some issues, so I did some balloon dips, but it turned out quite gorgeous. But today I will try the same with those colors, with permanent red, violet, Amsterdam Greenish, blue Amsterdam, azo yellow, light Amsterdam, DecoArt Extreme sheen, gold, and my pearl white mixture again. And I did tape the sides to do a little edge here, because I want I just want to keep my composition while I'm tilting. And now I will remove this and grab my gravy boat and pour my paints in. And I will start with greenish blue today. And pearl white, I will just pour some puddles. And permanent red, violet, and yellow, and gold, and so on. And I will repeat, and I will be careful with my gold today, really careful, just a little bit. I will pour some black here for kind of a flow extender. Okay. And let's pour this gravy on the canvas. but I kind of like it now. So I will leave it and take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I don't know what to say about this painting. I definitely like the one that I did with the same colors but different order, because here is just a lot of yellow. I don't know why, but the details are amazing and colors are gorgeous too, and at the end I am happy with the composition now. I had a problem with the composition totally today, but I think that it turned out beautiful. So some colorful gravy on canvas. So this is it for today. Have a nice Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.